how to link Instagram account to Discord. The first things first, this method is allowing us to connect our Instagram account to our Discord account. But on my end, I'm gonna be doing it using the Discord software. Now, on your Discord, log in and pull up your Discord account. And once you're here, all you have to do is locate the gear icon, which will take you out to your user settings. Now from here, all you have to do on the left portion of your screen, now under user settings, just look for connections and click on that. And these are all the options that you can go ahead and connect your Discord with. If you are not able to see Instagram, then all you have to do is to click this arrow right here pointing to your right, which will take you to view more. Now all you have to do is just find Instagram here and you should be able to connect your Discord to your Instagram without any problems. So that's how you connect your Instagram account to Discord.